How to go live stream on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your mobile, log into your account, then click on the server you want to live stream on. Then click on Voice Channel. After you've clicked on Voice Channel, click on Join Voice at the bottom. After that, you're live streamed on this server. You can also turn on your video by clicking at the bottom left corner. You can also turn off by clicking on the same button. If you want to invite people, click on top right corner of your screen and then invite a friend through link or any application. After that, you can also end it by clicking on the red button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is how to go live stream on Discord mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.